Hello po mga kalagalag. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa lungsod ng Mississauga, dito sa Ontario. At susubukan po natin kumain dito sa the place was called Belgia's Inasal. Tingnan po natin kung okay yung mga pagkain nila. Tara po sa loob.
Told T-Boy Adventures, click that play pay. Tito in the kitchen cooking up all day. Adobo on the stove, steam fogging the lens. Lumpia on the plate, share a bite with my friends. Wow. Told T-Boy Adventures, that's my show. From Toronto to the islands, watch me go. Grandkids laughing, fish on the line too. My name Tito with my slogans. Wow. Retired but I'm busy, I ain't slowing my stride. Skillet in my left hand, grandkid by my side. Cool breeze hitting, casting out by the shore. Hit that subscribe, you know you coming back for more.
So we got in. Nandito na po tayo sa loob ng Belgia's Chicken Inasal. At umorder na po tayo ng mga kain natin. Ito yung loob niya, medyo maliit lang pero subukan po natin. Ito yung loob. Hindi mo ako kumakain. So actually, this is my first time. Ewan ko lang dito sa mga kasama ko kung nagpunta na sila rito.
First time.
First time too? Alright. Yeah. We'll see. Umorder na po kami at inaantay lang namin dumating yung mga in-order namin. Pag dumating na, chibuga na tayo. So, ito yung unang order po natin. Drinks, it's a mango juice. Tikman po natin. Oh, wow. So good, yeah. I like it. Ito po, mango juice. Nice. Mine, right? You want some more, John?
You want more condiments po? Meron po tayo dito.
Good.
Actually, na po, nakapun na...
So, ito na po yung order ko. In-order namin. Chicken Inasal. And then, comes with a barbecue. And then, yung ating papaitan. Good old papaitan. Sinaw. Oh, wow. Oh yeah.
Daddy, you gonna eat it from there?
Oh yeah. And then the chicken in the sal. There we go. And what's that one called?
Lempo.
Lempo. Wow.
Do you want hot sauce, po, boys?
Ayan. Tara, kain na po tayo. Subok tayo. Mga kalagalag. ito, order pa po ng halo-halo. Mahalo-halo naman tayo ngayon. So ito, tignan naman na po natin yung ating kanilang cheese halo-halo they call it. Cheesy. Oh yeah. Another one.
That's just the ice cream.
Nice. Nice. Here, John. Take it before I finish it. Thank you. Nice. Yeah. Start off.
How was it?
So ito na po yung isa pang dessert namin, turon de leche. Nice. Tikman po natin. Nice. Yan.
Just fall on the floor.
Okay. Yan po yung turon de leche, yung dessert nila. Sarap. Ayan po, tapos na po tayong kumain at maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang dito na lamang po itong vlog natin ngayong araw. At sana po, like and share. At kung bago ka pa lamang dito sa ating channel, subscribe na kaibigan. Para malaki yung magagawa nitong tulong sa paglaki at pagulan ng ating YouTube channel. Maraming salamat sa inyo. At mabuhay po tayong lahat. Sa mapagpalang araw po. At magandang gabi. Wahoo!